Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. We have potentially the most unique California that we have ever had in stock here to show you around today. Now there's a lot of detail to go through on this one, so if you've got anything to do in the next 15 minutes, probably best to go and do it and then come and sit down, because this is going to be a lengthy video. So we'll start off. This is a one owner vehicle from new, so 14 years old and one owner from new. With a full service history documenting 16 services in total, 14 of which have been carried out at the same VW main dealer. Now it's Fresco Green, rare but beautiful colour, really suits the California, and due to the several £1,000s that we've spent on the paintwork, it is in immaculate condition. Now this vehicle spent most of its life up in the Shetland Islands. So when it came to us, there were a few blemishes on each panel. Not bad, just sort of noticeable. So we've had a full lower half respray done in the matching colour. It cost us several £1,000s. So it is absolutely superb. I'm going to show you every panel from every angle so you can see just how lovely the job is on it. Now this was ordered bespoke to our customer's specification, so it's very rare in that it is a 4Motion with the 2.5 litre diesel engine developing 174 brake horsepower. Now we've fitted onto it these delivery mileage 17-inch Devonport wheels, as the original wheels were looking a little bit tired. These are brand new wheels from a new vehicle that we put 20-inch alloys on. This one is the equivalent of today's California Ocean. So it has the electric elevating roof, which in fact I'm going to take you around that first because that's in superb order. There is one small patch that's been put in it. It was pointed out to me by the customer. Just here, been professionally attached, so makes no difference to the operation of the roof. It electronically goes up and down absolutely fine. We've checked that. And the spec that this was ordered to is unlike any other California that I've seen. Plus the condition inside. If I just take some time to show you these seats. They're in absolutely super order. The driver's one, again, you've got the faintest of crease lines just on the side there. But say folks, remember this is 14 and a half years old. It's the 6-speed manual gearbox. This one had the expensive Climatronic system put in. So it has front climate control and that blows through to the rear as well. Very, very rare this age of vehicle to get rear aircon. Also got the diff lock on it. Again, super rare to find a 4Motion, even rarer to find one with diff lock. Got the heated front seat control there for the passenger, and also just across here for the driver. CD head unit 2. And this does have cruise control just on the end of the stalk there. Now what else is unusual about this one, it's had a diesel heater fitted, but it has the factory fit auxiliary heater up here in this electronic control panel. Now what that does is preheat the diesel engine so that if that's put on and activated, effectively the vehicle gets warmer inside a lot quicker as the engine's been preheated. Perfect for if you're out using it in cold climates. I'll just show you up here into the bed area. Flick the light on as you won't be able to see anything. Now it has this little angle poised lamp here. Mattress in superb condition. It has this cargo net storage system which just hooks down from the top here. And the bed itself is the proper California bed with the sprung mattress. Also got the little zip bits there that you can allow some light in through. So all in super order up there. Now the rear of the vehicle, I'm going to show you in more detail when I get round that side. We're just going to head back out. It's also worth me showing you as well other bits, just to kind of give you an idea of the quality of the vehicle. If you have a look at these door cards, the little steps here, the carpets and mats. You know, it's almost sort of unbelievable for us to find one at this age that is kept as nicely as this has been. We've sold these at 3-4 years old that aren't in as good condition as this one. Here you've got your access for putting the water in, and also your 240 volt hookup. On the rear, it's got a tow bar if you need to tow anything. And in the rear, you can just see here we've got the table and chairs that come from factory with California. Also, just here is the rear blind. So this sort of pops out and pulls up to create a dark environment for anybody who might be sleeping in the downstairs area. A couple of little signs of wear here, so you can just see on the aluminium bits on the back of the rock and roll bed, there's just a couple of marks there and some slight stress cracks in the veneer. It's probably just from sunlight over time, I would say, on that. Inside, some nice shelving storage in there, and that lifts up to allow you access in there. Got a decent amount of storage underneath here, and of course the rock and roll bed's on the rail system, so it can slide backwards and forwards. Rear speakers also, and it does have the power closing tailgate, so once it latches it will pull it in. As you can hear, there's sort of zoop noise there. I'm just going to show you the quality of the finish on this paintwork. Stands really well from the side too. Walking this side. So I've put the table out for the minute. Got a useful little table here. Now this does fold down and slide away to this area just here at the side of the seat. The seat itself, just going to show you the condition of that. Hopefully it's coming through on the video just how clean that is. Going to pop these little lights on here. Show you in here we have the sink and the dual gas hobs, and over on this left hand side we've got the top loading fridge with the basket in it. Just drop that down. Another storage compartment in here. Get quite a lot of kit in there. And vents here and here. And that's for the rear air conditioning to come through. Now, as mentioned, it's got the rail system in the back here. So that double seat can move forward on the rails while the table's down and become more like a combi if you want it to. That'll allow you a lot more storage room in the back. Or alternatively, it folds down to create a 1 3/4 bed. Moving back into the front again. Other options, it has got the power folding mirrors. Just show you the seat again. And being a California, it does have factory swiveling front seats. All you do is pull this and you can swivel them round. So that's the inside. And you're going to struggle to believe this, but this has actually done 141,000 miles from new. But probably looks better than many that have done maybe 15 or 20,000. The final thing I'm going to show you is the paperwork side of things. So we have a huge folder of service invoices. Just to give you an idea how thick that is, we've got all these here. I've put out some recent ones just here, as it's never been scrimped on in terms of maintenance. We have spent nearly £2,000. That was sorting out the aircon system as the evaporator wasn't operational and there were some slight holes in the pipes. So we replaced basically all this stuff. Other bits that it's had done recently, it's had services at VW, engine tray, you can see exhaust temp sensor there, service middle of 2021 at VW. Last service was late January this year at VW. Has also had nearly £1,000 spent there. Numerous things. Here at Volkswagen in January this year, when it had its service, it also had a display unit replaced. That's the thing that controls the electric roof. A couple of aircon bits there as well. Some more diagnostics. The overall cost of that came to £4,466 earlier this year. The service book itself, because we've got all the books here in the full book pack, I'm just going to run you through those. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 at Volkswagen there. Then one at an independent, 12th one at Volkswagen, independent again on 13, 14, 15 and 16, all done at the main Volkswagen dealer. So all in all, hugely comprehensive history, one owner from new, super condition, and 4-wheel drive with the 2.5 litre diesel engine, 174 horsepower. We've got a full written description, 20 plus adverts on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We may be able to offer finance facilities on this one, but could be a little tricky due to the age of it. We'd have a look for you. We do take a part exchange, so if you're interested in the vehicle, you'd like to discuss it, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.